Level 1. Autism versus Level 2 Autism, explained by ducks. Level 1 duck can talk with other ducks, technically. Duck practices small talk before leaving pond. Nice weather. Quack. Please don't panic. Meanwhile, Level 2 duck already said, no thanks, and walked away from the entire social situation. Honestly, efficient. Level 1 duck masks a lot. Copies other ducks. Laughs when others laugh. Professional pretending champion. Level 2. Duck struggles more visibly. Loud pond? Too many ducks talking. Worse. Entire operating system crashes. Level 1 duck may look fine outside, then goes home and stares at wall for 3 hours to recover from saying hello twice. Level 2 duck usually needs more support every day. Both ducks are autistic. Both are exhausted. Still both are very good ducks.